Morning.
Why is it morning?
I'm gonna pick it. Bye. Stop it. Stop it. Oh. You need someone big full.
Hey, I need big food.
Bruh, you need to go on this gap. Not the lowest gap. Yes. Whee! Yes. Wait, now it's morning.
Yes, morning.
Yay!
Go to the graveyard.
You're red, I'm blue. I'm gonna throw, as you know, this house.
Bro, are you blue? Are you blue?
Yep, pick up me. No! Greg,
Let me
pick
pick
me
you.
up on the tile platform.
I can pick you up.
It's right there, stupid!
Because of the guy.
Yes.
Can I throw you?
Yes,
here?
I am blue. You're on tile blue. I am blue, bro. You have to use me as a zip line.
You can't zip line.
Jump there. Yes. If you know it all, you're gonna checkmate. What the heck?
What's next?
A DK.
Let me pick up you.
There you go.
Let me pick
Come
up
to the
you.
world. Hello. Wow, many guys are such noobs. Show me. I almost fall.
You almost fall off the cliff.
Yep. Yeah, that sexy guy. What is this? Okay, let's do this again. Ah, here we go again. Okay, second attempt.
Ew, the guy's on the phone.
Noodle. Yee! No! It's so heavy. It's too heavy, bro.
Can you just scare me? I'm not having that at all.
You are skinny.
Roblox game.
Bruh! It's letting handle me up! Don't you know?
Nah, because you have my head. The mouth.
Okay, no! Oh my gosh. I don't want to go to that cave more. And
Oh, where's the flag?
it's right there, stupid. Jump! Yeah! Okay, carry me.
Go.
No. Just try this. Try that. No, not like that. Throw me. That's a mistake. Okay, and I'm gonna pick you up, and I'm gonna throw you. We're not normal team. We're just throwing team. Can I pick you up again?
Yeah. Because I'm heavy. That's why you can't.
Oh my God!
Why are you sitting on the zip line out here on my top?
Oh my God! I sound like a dog. Yeah.
Can I pick up you?
Yep. No, it's 331 miles. Jump! Use me as a zip line! No! You're stupid!